Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to separate one cell into two parts. Okay, like this. So what you have to do, if you want to separate one cell into two parts, just select the cell which you want to separate, and here you will see format option. Just click on it, and at the bottom of your this column you will see format cells. Click on it, and here you will see this last option. Okay, you can also choose any other options like this. Here you will see many options. Click on it and click on. You can also choose the line color. Okay, from here if I want to it to yellow. Okay, and now click on it again and then click on okay. You will see the changes. And now if you want to write here anything, okay, or type here anything, what you have to do, if you are using MacBook, you have to just click on this option button in your keypad and click on enter. Okay, and type anything. So I'm going to type here T, and now click anywhere on the sheet, and now you have to, here you will see, click on now I'm going to type here D. Okay, now just move your text here and enter anywhere. So like this you can separate one cell into two parts. So if you like this video, please like my video and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.